Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I'm presenting the Economics Time newspaper headlines. First of all, NCLT upholds CCI's rupees 1,337 crore fine on Google. Next, Tata Neu looks to up run rate on IPL pitch. Next, Center Delhi move Supreme Court on DMRC arbitral award to Rin Infra Co. Next, Crisol cuts outlook for Vedanta Limited to negative. Next, Adani stocks bounce back on prepayment of share-backed loans. Next, Lakshadweep MP Faisal Lok Sabha membership restored. Next, Mumbai-based ARC makes rupees 1,000 crore offer for Vidarbha Power with rider. Next, Z and Industrial Bank Inc. Settlement pact clearing way for Sony deal. Next, SEBI green lights slew of reforms. Next, CCI can now levy fine on cause global revenue. Next, other Go Mechanic sold in slum sale. Next, Acer ARC completes buyout of Nagarjuna fertilizers debt. Next, NCLT OK's statecraft resolution proposal for Lanco Mandakini. Then I comes to page number 2 in pure politics section, and under that NCP Faisal reinstated has LSMP. Next, Karnataka polls off on May 10. Next, MP MLA disqualification ceases if conviction stayed, Center said in 2017. Next, no taker for Congress plan against Speaker. Next, Gandhi's Rawat meet to end drift over Savarkar. Next, Patna court ask Rahul to appear on April 12. Then I comes to page number 4 in pure politics section. Under that, states must take action beyond FIR to curb hate speech, says S Supreme Court. Next, India mother of democracy, home to idea elected leaders, says PM. Next, ED attaches assets worth rupees 106 crore in Chinese loan app. Next, MHA 6 ban on 117 apps linked to China, Nigeria, and Philippines. Then I comes to next, Doval and Patrashev discuss defense counter terror ties. Next, then I comes to page number 6 in brand and company section of that. Uh, Viatris puts India API business on the block. Next, Crisil downgrades Vedanta, citing dividend outflows. Next, governance issues at Adani Group may hit it stable units. Next, Thou shall play. Next, Rohatgi's wife buys Bangalore in Delhi's golf links to for rupees 160 crore. Rohatgi. Next, India a mature real estate market with $5 billion funds expected every year. Next, Tilak Nagar IND said to buy 10% in maker of Samsara Gin. Next, Z settles dispute with IndusInd Bank. IndusInd clears the way for Sony merger. Next, retailer leasing may hit a new high in 2023. And then I comes to page number 7 in company section. Under that, DMRC orders Center Delhi move Supreme Court. Next, JSW Energy Arm completes Metra RE portfolio buy. On page number 18 in economic section of that, ICMR studying sudden spike in cardiac events after COVID-19, says Mandhavia. Next, Centers H1 market borrowing to be tad lower at rupees 8.9 lakh crore. Next, CAD seen narrowing in FY24 but unlikely to dip below 2% of GDP. Next, India will start thermal coal import by 2025-26. Export. Next, India to seek consensus on global issue at G20. Next, unified tariff for natural gas pipelines unveiled. Next, EAC PM moods redefining of rural-urban areas. On page number 9, economic time market section, that traders make a bullish entry in April. Next, Adani cause stock rebound, add rupees 20,205 crore in mid cap. Next, investors give thumb down to CEO exit. Next, on page number 10, in smart investing section, that account to account transfer free on UPI. Next, CFM ARC offer rupees 1,000 crore for troubled Vidarbha Power's loan. Next, Acer ARC completes buyout of Nagarjuna fertilizer debt. Next, Statecraft resolution for Lanco. Mandakini gets NCLT nude. Next, Fairfax Financial Holdings acquires 4.4% uh, in Quesis Corp for rupees 254 crore in block deal. Next, rupee falls 80 paisa against US dollar. Next, strong presence in EMS space makes Avalon a good bet. Next, gold drops as equities, strong dollar weight. Next, before Ashore Power's result, a project awaits rollout. Next, a cautionary message. Next, a settlement plan for lighter evolution. Next, stricter timeline for disclosures. Next, changes to the interface planned. On page number 11, in disruption section, that NXP ask Alice to make chips in India. Next, Go Mechanic sold off in lump sale to lifelong lead group. Next 9 months to see down rounds failures shut down. Next, Unacademy hives of code chief. Next, upgrade rises rupees 300 crore through right issue. Next, Easy Diner backs rupees 40 crore in new price. Next, India saw 7 lakh malware attacks in 2022, says study. Next, Google blocked 5.2 billion advertisement for violation in 2022. Next, Koviak.co names Hackett head of outbound sales. Next, good glam, sorry, good glam group Akshay Kumar from JV. On page number 12 in company section, that skilling initiative set for recast focus on PPP and local expertise. Next, big challenge lies in finding 5G use cases, telcos executive. Next, healthy growth in Indian CV market to continue. Next, foreign offshore drilling contractors lobby against new safety rules. Next, then it comes to page number 13 in company section, and that Sahara SEBI account Supreme Court okays rupees 5,000 crore release. Next, US firm Ingredient keen to acquire partner Indian companies. Next, Reliance company Rise inks over 60 deals worth rupees 400 crore for IPL 2023. Next, JP Thaparia family buys Sobo triplex flat for over rupees 369 crore. Next, TVS Emerald HDFC Cap Reality Fund Inc. deal for rupees 1000 crore platform. Next, SpiceJets as Ajay Singh takes over as EcoCam presidency. Next, Tata Power Solar backs rupees 1755 crore EPC deal. Next, PTC India appoints Rajiv Mishra as CMD despite regulatory cloud. Next, Rosneft inks term agreement with IOC. Next, government launches seventh round of coal auctions. Next, HMSI to roll out around 6 new two-wheelers model next fiscal. On page number 14 in the added page section, that UPI and away. Unified and universal. Next, 9 by 11, 12 by 11, recall 12 at 6. Good luck, bad luck. Next, Europe declares end of Ice Age in 2035. Next, e-waste collection versus generation. Next, more taxpayer, not more tax. Next, early success, no proof to lithium. Next, Chat GPT, Hazir Ho. Next, EVS only to add to fumes. Next, let separation be with you. Next, 12 bed ward, art of an experience. Next, then comes to page number 15 in economic time penalty section. Under that, get rid of unconscious bias at the workplace. Next, Credit Suisse collapse leaves sports sponsorship in Libo. Next, on page number 16 in around the world section, that Sarigo Ermoti returns as CEO of UBS to steer Credit Suisse takeover. Next, JP Morgan Golden Man likely to start trading private credit loan. Next, Federal Reserve Unit launches probe into SVB supervision. Next, Yalin expects Biden nominee Ajay Banga to be elected World Bank presidency. Next, Apple rolls out buys now, pay later service. Next, Paris garbage collector to end strike. Next, Russia stops sharing missile test info with US. Next, FTX Bankman Fright charged with paying $40 million brief. Next, cricket carnival returns. Next, Livingstone to miss opener. Next, Porel set to replace Pant Delhi. Next, should not talk about workload in T20 voucher. On page number 17 in that CCI can penalize tech MNC based on global turnover. Next, retailers may go big on leasing in 2023. Next, current account deficit may shrink in FY24. Next, NXP ask Alice to make chief in chips in India. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.